In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock iCloud activation lock without data loss in 2025 for those times when your iPhone or iPad is locked to the owner. It's crucial to note that attempting to unlock a device you do not own without the owner's permission is against Apple's policies and is illegal in many places. The feature exists to preserve the security and privacy of the device's information, so always remember to use this process responsibly and legally. Let's dive into the steps you can follow if you own the device but have forgotten your Apple ID password. First, you'll need to access a web browser. Simply open your preferred browser and head over to iforgot.apple.com. This is Apple's go-to page for recovering your account credentials and managing issues related to your Apple ID. Once you're on the page, you'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID. This is typically the email address associated with your Apple account, so make sure you have it handy. After entering your Apple ID, the next step requires you to verify your identity. Apple provides several options for this crucial verification process to ensure they're allowing the right person access to the account. Depending on your account setup, you could verify your identity through a trusted phone number, receive an email verification, or answer security questions. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on your account, you might also need to confirm the authentication code sent to your trusted devices. Once your identity has been successfully verified, you'll have the opportunity to reset your password. This is a straightforward step, but it's essential to choose a new password that is both strong and memorable. You want to ensure the security of your device and data, so consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. However, make sure it's something you'll remember to prevent future lockouts. After you've selected and confirmed your new password, complete the process, ensuring everything is correctly entered. Now, it's time to sign into your device with this new password. Use the same Apple ID you initially entered and input the new password. This should grant you access to your iPhone or iPad, successfully removing the iCloud activation lock without any data loss. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your device efficiently and securely. Remember to keep your new password safe and consider using a password manager to keep track of your credentials. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification.